I'm here to personally condole those who lost their lives and to sympathize with those that are wounded, are in hospital, or are nursing themselves at home. In addition, I also told them that government, through the Ministry of Justice, will work with them to demand for compensation and the prosecution of those who are responsible for the death and the injury of more than 10 people in Libya. I appeal to them for calm, for their support, because if they don't support the efforts of government in trying to see that they are properly compensated, they will undermine whatever we're doing to restore sanity in the operations of customs and the other security and paramilitary agencies that are working in the state. And also for all of them to know that it's not criminal to live in the border towns or border villages. They didn't bring themselves, they found themselves here. Some, their grandfathers were born here. So it's not an offense to live in border town or border villages. The lives have been made very difficult. Life is very difficult for the border communities here, that you cannot bring even ordinary water in sachet. You cannot bring everyday needs for the people without the harassment of custom, immigration, NDLE, military, police. The distance between KATSINA and Libya is not more than 40 kilometers. But you find at a time, there was a time that we found more than 28 toll gates before you reach Libya. Life is becoming more and more unbearable for the people. And above all, with the activities of custom and the activities of bandits. I also call on them to give maximum support and to take measures also in helping to secure themselves and secure the community.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.